Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read out a chapter from class 2, chapter 1, A Day at the Beach. So let's start. Look at the above picture. Count and write the number of objects given below. Coconuts, boats, children, oranges. How did you count them? Did you count them one by one or in bunches or groups? Discuss with children if they have seen or visited a seashore or a river side. Which animals and plants are usually seen there? Encourage them to count in groups. Let us do. A. Look at the shops shown in the picture and fill in the blanks. 1. There are blank necklaces of cells with 10 cells in each necklace. 2. There are blank groups of balloons with 4 balloons in each group and blank loose balloons. 3. There are blank bunches of bananas with blank bananas in each bunch and blank loose bananas. B. Surbi has collected some sea cells. She wants to help her mother in making bracelets and necklaces. C. Surbi has made blank groups of cells with blank number of cells in each group for her bracelets. D. Her mother has made blank group of cells with blank number of cells in each group for her necklaces. Try the tongue twister. Sea cells at the seashores. Let us think. List out the objects that come in packs of 10. A blank, B blank, C blank. Tasty chikus. Manoj is helping his father in selling chikus that he has arranged in the trays. There are blank chikus in one tray. How many chikus are there in total? Now help Manoj in placing all the chikus in the trays for selling. A. 25 chikus blank trays of 10 chikus and blank chikus. B. 43 chikus blank trays of 10 chikus and blank chikus. C. 35 chikus blank trays of 10 chikus and blank chikus. D. 58 chikus,
58 chikus,
blank,
blank,
trays of 10 chikus,
trays of 10 chikus,
and
and
blank chikus.
blank chikus.
Let us match.
Let us match.
A.
A.
80 chikus,
80 chikus,
B.
B.
72 chikus,
72 chikus,
C.
C.
56 chikus,
56 chikus,
D.
D.
28 chikus.
28 chikus.
Fun with blocks and strips.
Fun with blocks and strips.
Look at my
Look at my
block stick.
block sticks.
Can you tell
Can you tell
how many blocks
how many blocks
are there in this block stick?
are there in this block sticks?
One block stick
One block sticks
is equal to
is equal to
blank blocks.
blank blocks.
Look at my
Look at my
10 strip.
10 strip.
Can you tell
Can you tell
how many units
how many units
are there in this 10 strip?
are there in this 10 strips?
One 10 strip
One 10 strips
is equal to
is equal to
blank units.
blank units.
Let us do
Let us do
3
3
block sticks
block sticks
and
and
4 blocks,
4 blocks.
34
34
total blocks.
total blocks.
Blank
Blank
block sticks
block sticks
and
and
blank
blank
blocks,
blocks.
blank
Blank
total blocks.
total blocks.
Blank
Blank
block sticks
block sticks
and
and
blank
blank
blocks.
blocks.
Blank
Blank
total blocks.
total blocks.
Blank
Blank
10 strips
10 strips
and
and
blank
blank
units.
units.
Blank
Blank
total units.
total units.
Blank
Blank
10 strips
10 strips
and
and
blank
blank
units.
units.
Blank
Blank
total units.
total units.
Blank
Blank
10 strips
10 strips
and
and
blank
blank
units.
units.
Blank
Blank
total units.
total units.
Complete the below table.
Complete the below table.
Total blocks,
Total blocks,
units,
units,
10 strips,
10 strips,
units,
units,
24
24
to
2
4,
4
36
36
blank
blank
blank,
blank
72
72
blank
blank
blank,
blank
69
69
blank
blank
blank,
blank
46
46
blank
blank
blank.
blank.
Use sticks
Use sticks
or bundles of sticks
or bundles of sticks
or similar material
or similar material
which can be
which can be
grouped to develop
grouped to be developed
number sense
number sense
among children.
among children.
Let us make 100.
Let us make 100.
Look,
Look,
I have joined
I have joined
10 strips
10 strips
together.
together.
These are
These are
made up of
made up of
total 100 units.
total 100 units.
70
70
yellow units
yellow units
and
and
30
30
red units.
red units.
7
7
yellow 10 strips
yellow 10 strips
and
and
3
3
red 10 strips.
red 10 strips.
Total
Total
100 units
100 units
or
or
10
10
strips.
10 strips.
Blank
Blank
yellow units
yellow units
and
and
blank
blank
red units.
red units.
Blank
Blank
yellow 10 strips
yellow 10 strips
and
and
blank
blank
red 10 strips.
red 10 strips.
Total
Total
blank
blank
units
units
or
or
blank
blank
10 strips.
10 strips.
Blank
Blank
yellow units
yellow units
and
and
blank
blank
red unit.
red unit.
Blank
Blank
yellow 10 strips
yellow 10 strips
and
and
blank
blank,
red 10 strips,
red 10 strips,
total
total,
blank
blank,
units
units,
or
or
blank
blank,
10 strips,
10 strips,
blank
blank,
yellow units
yellow units,
and
and
blank
blank,
red units,
red units,
blank
blank,
yellow
yellow,
10 strips
10 strips,
and
and
blank
blank,
red 10 strips,
red 10 strips,
total
total,
blank units
blank units,
or
or
blank
blank,
10 strips.
10 strips.
Discuss some
Discuss some
other combinations
other combinations
of 10 strips
of 10 strips
that make 100
that make 100
units grid.
units grid.
Let us make 100.
Let us make 100.
Let us play this game
Let us play this game
in groups of 5 or 6.
in groups of 5 or 6.
One member will become
One member will become
the banker.
the banker.
Each team member
Each team member
will roll 2 dice
will roll 2 dice
together
together
and
and
take that many units
take that many units
from the bank.
from the bank.
Whenever there are units
Whenever there are units
that are equal to
that are equal to
or more than 10,
or more than 10,
they will exchange
they will exchange
the 10 units
the 10 units
for a 10 strip
for a 10 strips
from the banker,
from the banker.
play the same
Play the same
and collect 10
and
strips
collect 10
and put them to make
and put them to make
100 units grid.
100 units grids.
We can also use items
We can also use items
like rajma,
like rajma,
pebbles,
pebbles,
chana,
chana,
etc.
etc.
as units.
as units.
Counting through cards.
Counting through cards.
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
21.
21.
Oh,
Oh,
I forgot the count.
I forget the count.
Again.
Again.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Let me tell you a
Let me tell you a
new way of counting
new way of counting
these cells.
these cells.
I have placed
I have placed
triangle cards
triangle card
for a group of 10 cells
for a group of 10 cells
and
and
circle cards for one cell.
circle card for one cell.
Encourage children
Encourage children
to use different cards
to use different cards
for tens and ones.
for tens and ones.
Let us think.
Let us think.
Complete the following.
Complete the following.
3 tens,
3 tens,
1 1
1 1
is equal to
is equal to
30 plus 1
30 plus 1
or
or
TO
TO
3 1.
3 1.
So,
So,
there are total of 31 cells.
there are total of 31 cells.
Blank tens,
Blank tens,
blank ones,
blank ones,
blank plus blank
blank plus blank
or
or
TO
TO
blank blank.
blank blank.
Blank tens,
Blank tens,
blank ones
blank ones
is equal to
is equal to
blank plus blank
blank plus blank
or
or
TO
TO
blank blank.
blank blank.
Blank tens,
Blank tens,
blank ones
blank ones
is equal to
is equal to
blank plus blank
blank plus blank
or
or
TO
TO
blank blank.
blank blank.
Draw tens,
Draw tens,
triangle
triangles
and ones,
and ones,
circles,
circles,
cards
cards
and fill in the blanks.
and fill in the blanks.
Blank tens,
Blank tens,
blank ones
blank ones
is equal to
is equal to
90 plus 3
19 plus 3
or
or
TO
TO
blank blank.
blank blank.
Blank tens,
Blank tens,
blank ones
blank ones
is equal to
is equal to
blank plus blank
blank plus blank
or
or
TO
TO
75.
75.
Blank tens,
Blank tens.
blank ones
Blank ones
is equal to
is equal to
blank plus blank
blank plus blank
or
or
TO
TO
29.
29.
Let us play
Let us play
make numbers.
make numbers.
Children can make numbers
Children can make numbers
using different number cards,
using different number cards,
either of tens
either of tens
or ones.
or ones.
The teacher
The teacher
calls out a number,
calls out a number,
say 52.
52.
The children with number cards
The children with numbers card
of 50 and 2
of 50 and 2
will come together
will come together
and form the number
and form the number
52 as shown below.
52 as shown below.
The game continues
The game continues
for other numbers
for other numbers
such as 27.
such as 27.
We have made
We have made
the number
the number
52.
52.
We have made
We have made
the number
the number
27.
27.
52,
52.
50,
52.
2, 27,
27.
27.
27.
Trays of oranges.
Trays of oranges.
Suraj,
Suraj,
please take out trays
please take out trays
to arrange this
to arrange this
43 oranges.
43 oranges.
I think
I think
I will need
I will need
3 trays
3 trays
to arrange them.
to arrange them.
Let children
Let children
have lots of practice
have lots of practice
on regrouping
on regrouping
a number in tens
a number in tens
and ones.
and ones.
For example,
For example,
73 is made up of
73 made up
70 and 3,
70 and 3
or 7 tens
7 tens
and 3 ones.
and 3 ones.
Let children
Let children
make their
make their
own worksheets
own worksheets
for 2-digit numbers.
for 2-digit numbers.
73,
73,
70 plus 3,
70 plus 3,
TO
TO
73.
73.
Oh, a lot of oranges
A lot of oranges
are left.
are left.
I think you need
I think you need
more trays.
more trays.
Yes,
Yes,
I needed 4 trays
I needed 4 trays
of 10 oranges,
of 10 oranges.
each to
Each to
put 40 oranges,
put 40 oranges,
but 3 oranges
but 3 oranges
are still left.
are still left.
Can you now tell
Can you now tell
which are more in number?
which are more in number?
43 oranges
43 oranges
or 34 oranges?
or 34 oranges?
43 oranges
43 oranges
will be more in number
will be more in number
as there are 4 tens
as there are 4 tens
in it,
in it,
while in 34
while in 34
there are only 3 tens,
there are only 3 tens,
which is less
which is less
27 oranges
27 oranges
or 72 oranges.
or 72 oranges.
Why?
Why?
Fill in the blanks
Fill in the blanks
with more or less.
with more or less.
A.
A.
67 chikus are
67 chikus are
blank
blank
than 76 chikus.
than 76 chikus.
B.
B.
53 cells are
53 cells are
blank
blank
than 35 cells.
than 35 cells.
What about 43 oranges
What about 43 oranges
and 47 oranges?
and 47 oranges?
Which is more?
Which is more?
In both 43
In both 43
and 47,
and 47,
there are 4 tens,
there are 4 tens,
but in 43,
but in 43,
there are 3 ones,
there are 3 ones,
while in 47,
while in 47,
there are 7 ones.
there are 7 ones.
So 47 oranges
So 47 oranges
are more than 43 oranges.
are more than 43 oranges.
Let's do.
Let's
Fill in the blanks.
fill in the blanks.
A. 29
29
is more than 20.
is more than 20.
B.
B
Blank
blank
is less than 41.
is less than 41.
C.
C
Blank
blank
is less than 76.
is less than 76.
D.
B
49 is more than
49 is more than
blank.
blank.
E.
E
25 is less than
25 is less than
blank.
blank.
F.
F
Blank
blank
is less than 2.
is less than 2.
G.
G
36 is more than
36 is more than
blank.
blank.
H.
H
Blank
blank
is more than
is more than
blank.
blank.
Discuss with children
Discuss with children
the situations
the situations
where they can compare
where they can compare
two quantities.
two quantities.
Ask children to make
Ask children to make
two groups of concrete objects
two groups of concrete objects
like pebbles,
like pebbles,
marbles,
marbles,
bottle caps,
bottle caps,
seeds,
seeds,
etc.
etc.
and to estimate
and to estimate
which group has more
which group has more
number of objects.
number of objects.
Let them then
Let them then
verify their estimate
verify their estimate
by counting the objects.
by counting the objects.
Let's play.
Let us play.
Flashcard game.
Flashcard game.
A.
A.
Make flashcards
Make flashcards
of numbers
of numbers
from 0 to 9.
from 0 to 9.
Make the desired number
Make the desired number
according to the rules
according to the rules
given below
given below
by placing these cards
by placing these cards
appropriately at tens
appropriately at tens
and ones place.
and ones place.
First, a number greater than 50.
Greater than 50.
Second,
Second,
a number
a number
less than 30.
less than 30.
3,
3,
a number
a number
between 47 and 59.
between 47 and 59.
4,
4,
which is the smallest
which is the smallest
two-digit number
two-digit number
you can make.
you can make.
5,
5,
which is the largest
which is the largest
two-digit number
two-digit number
you can make.
you can make.
Why do you think
Why do you think
that the number
that the number
you made
you made
is the largest?
is the largest?
Tens,
Tens,
5,
5,
ones,
ones,
7.
7.
B.
B.
Choose any two flashcards
Choose and two flashcards
and make a two-digit number.
and make a two-digit number.
Now swap these flashcards
Now swap these flashcards
to get another number
to get another number
and find out
and find out
whether it is bigger
whether it is bigger
or smaller
or smaller
than the previous number.
than the previous number.
How will you get
How will you get
the largest number?
the largest number?
Using same digits.
Using same digits.
Tens,
Tens,
ones,
ones,
tens,
tens,
ones.
ones,
3,
3,
5,
5,
5,
5,
3.
3.
Mark by passing the path
Mark by passing path
from the largest number.
from the largest number.
Try to reach
Try to reach
the smallest one
the smallest one
in decreasing order
in decreasing order
by passing through
by passing through
each and every number
each and every number
at least once.
at least once.
65,
65,
73,
73,
92,
92,
53,
53,
20,
20,
32.
32.
34,
34,
53,
53,
91,
91,
76,
76,
14,
14,
11,
11,
19,
19,
23,
23,
51,
51,
58,
58,
63,
63,
43,
43,
75,
75,
86,
86,
29,
29,
34.
34.
Play with numbers.
Play with numbers.
Who am I?
Who am I? A.
I am the
I am the
largest two-digit number.
largest two-digit number.
B.
B.
I am the
I am the
largest two-digit number
largest two-digit number
where
where
no digit is repeated.
no digit is repeated.
C.
C.
I am the
I am the
smallest two-digit number.
smallest two-digit number.
D.
D.
I am the
I am the
smallest two-digit number.
smallest two-digit number.
My digits are repeated.
My digits are repeated.
E.
E.
I am the
I am the
smallest two-digit number
smallest two-digit number.
with 3 at the tens place.
With 3 at the 10th place.
F.
F.
I am the
I am the
largest two-digit number
largest two-digit number
with
with
2 at the ones place.
2 at the ones place.
Make your own such questions.
Make your own substitutions.
Vallam Kali.
Vallam Kali.
In Kerala,
In Kerala,
Onam is celebrated
Onam is celebrated
through a famous snake boat.
through a famous snake boat.
Race called as
This is called as
Vallam Kali.
Vallam Kali.
The race has nearly come to an end. Look at the picture and observe the position of each boat.
Of each boat.
A. Which color boat
Which color boat
came first in the race?
came first in the race?
B.
B.
Which color boat
Which color boat
is likely to
is likely to
come third?
come third?
C.
C.
At which positions
At which positions
are blue
are blue
and green boats?
and green boats?
D.
D.
Write the position
Write the positions
of pink
of pink
and orange boats
and orange boats
on the basis of the picture.
on the basis of the picture.
Look at the month
Look at the month
of August
of August
in the calendar
and
given below. Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Read the calendar
Read the calendar
and answer the
and answer the
following questions.
following questions.
A.
A.
Onam will be celebrated
Onam will be celebrated
on which day of the month?
on which day of the month?
B.
B.
When is the
When is the
Independence Day celebrated?
Independence Day celebrated?
C.
C.
Raksha Bandhan is on
Raksha Bandhan is on
Wednesday of this month.
Wednesday of this month.
Find out
Find out
if any of your friends
if any of our friends
celebrated their birthday
celebrated their birthday
in the month of August.
in the month of August.
Mark it on the calendar.
Mark it on the calendar.
Jersey number 17.
Jersey number 70.
The player wearing
The player wearing
jersey number 17
jersey number 70
is playing very well.
is playing very well.
He is Arya,
He is Arya,
my favorite player.
my favorite.
Discuss with students
Discussed with students
about various other places
about various other places
where they can see
where they can see
numbers as labels
numbers as tables
or names around them.
or names around them.
For example,
For example,
house number,
house number,
pillar number,
pillar number,
roll number,
roll number,
bus or train number,
bus or train number,
etc.
etc.
Tell children
Tell children
that the beautiful way
that
in which we all write
when we all write
numbers today
numbers today
using the digits
using the digits
0 and 1 to 9
0 and 1 to 9
originated in India.
originated in India.